Months of talks, endless bargaining, one breakthrough after India and the US finally clinched a long-awaited trade agreement, and reactions are pouring in. Markets responded sharply to the breakthrough. The rupee posted its strongest single-day rise in over 3 years earlier today. The rally came after the US sharply cut tariffs on Indian goods. The currency strengthened 1.2% to 90.40 against the dollar. The National Stock Exchange describes the India-US trade deal as an engine of innovation.
It's, I think, a very nice outcome after almost a year of waiting. Kudos to Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for holding up, but also getting the best possible outcome for India. There was a need to have US on our side. This deal decisively puts both the countries together.
And the move followed Trump's announcement of tariff rate cuts on Indian exports to 18% from 25%. Equity markets also reacted positively as shares in Mumbai soared at the opening bell today. The Nifty index jumped 4.86% to 26,200 points. Following the announcement of the deal, members of the parliament from the National Democratic Alliance congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi for the historic trade deal. Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar welcomed the agreement, confirming that the deal would boost job creation. He added that it would spur economic growth, drive innovation, and strengthen the Make in India initiative. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh termed the Pact a landmark moment as it would take India-US economic ties to new heights. India's Minister of Parliamentary Affairs hailed the historic deals under the leadership of PM Modi.
ऐतिहासिक ट्रेड डील्स मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में 9 ट्रेड डील जो हुए हैं, जिसको हम फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट कहते हैं, और इंडिया ईयू फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट अभी 1 सप्ताह पहले ही, 1 सप्ताह भी पूरा नहीं हुआ, इंडिया ईयू फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट का 1 सप्ताह के अंदर फिर कल अमेरिका का साथ में जो एग्रीमेंट हुए और जो अनाउंसमेंट हुए टैरिफ में कटौती का, उसको लेकर के देश भर में उत्साह है। तो सांसदों में बहुत उत्साह थे। आज एनडीए पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को अभिनंदन किया और उनका मार्गदर्शन में जो ऐतिहासिक ट्रेड डील्स हासिल किए हैं उसके लिए बधाई भी दी है। टोटल 39 देश, 39 देशों के साथ फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट हो गई है। ये ऐतिहासिक है और ये 39 कंट्रीज जो है पूरा डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज है।
Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the move would benefit Made in India products, adding that people in both democracies would gain. While India's Union Minister of Railways said India and the US had vast potential, noting that the partnership could advance peace and development. The Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways of India also hailed the deal. He said it would strengthen mutual trust and significantly boost confidence in business, trade and investment. However, the opposition expressed displeasure over the government's trade deal with the US. The Congress party raised strong concerns over the agreement. They are asking the Modi government to disclose the full details of the deal. The party sought clarity on its impact on farmers, traders and industry. Some Congress lawmakers even described the government's move as a madhouse decision.
India has become a madhouse. It is nothing but your GST Bachao Utsav, you remember? Which the government of India celebrated so much. Similarly, the US tariff also 26% से 18% करा दिया. It is reduced. You are celebrating a reduction, while for Indian goods there is for American goods there is zero tariff. I don't know what the government of India is celebrating. I don't see the sense in this.
And opposition lawmakers were seen protesting outside the parliament premises against the India-US trade agreement. The Federation of Indian Export Organisations called the agreement the father of all deals.
It is extremely good news. Indian exporters will now be equally competitive compared to Southeast Asian and South Asian rivals. If you look at a lot of our rivals in the region, it is mostly above 19%.
And exporters say the earlier high US tariffs badly hurt labour-heavy sectors like seafood, gems and jewellery. Seafood exporters estimate shipments to the US fell by around 15% after the 50% tariff was introduced. Now, with tariffs coming down to 18%, they are hopeful exports will rise again and return to earlier levels. Analysts also flagged a lack of clarity in the deal. There is confusion over Trump's claim that India will cut tariffs on US goods to zero and whether India will open its sensitive agriculture sector. With both praise and criticism, the India-US trade deal has drawn mixed reactions. Supporters hail it as a historic breakthrough, while critics question its impact on farmers and industry. How it will shape India's economy and international ties will become clearer in the weeks and months ahead.
The world doesn't fit in boxes, so why should your news? From battlefields to negotiation tables, from internet outrage to real-world injustice. The conversations everyone is having and the ones they're avoiding. It's the same show, but this new year, Firstpost America gets a new look. I'm Kerry Johnston, and this is Firstpost America.